Hello everyone. In previous class, we have discussed different types of arguments used in Python functions. We have discussed that there are four types of arguments used in Python function. First, positional or required argument. Second, keyword argument. Third, default argument. And fourth, variable length argument. Now, in a program, we can mix or we can combine all these arguments, and there are some rules for combining arguments. So now we are going to discuss the rules for combining the arguments, and especially we are discussing rules for combining positional, keyword and default argument, because variable length argument is a special case. Okay, so what the first rule says, an argument list must first contain positional or required argument followed by keyword argument. It means when you are mixing positional and keyword argument, it should have first positional argument and then keyword argument. Let us discuss this with an Python example. Now here I have taken one function, say define sum, which accepts three arguments a, b, c, and it prints sum of it. Now here I have used, in function call, I have used all three positional arguments. Positional means first argument will be copied in first, that is in first position, second position and third position. That's why 2 will be value for a, 3 will be value for b, and 4 will be value for c. And if you run this program, you can see you get the sum as 9. Okay, now suppose I want to use keyword argument over here. So here if I have written a equals to 2, a equals to 2 means in keyword argument, in function call and in function definition, both arguments are having same name. So here if I save this program and if I run it, you can see here it is giving an error, positional argument follows keyword argument. It means that first we should have positional or required argument and then the keyword argument. So here if I change it now, if I keep first positional argument 2 for value a, 3 for value b, and I am making keyword argument here c equals to 4. So here if you run the program, now if you run the program, you can see now it is showing the answer 9. So here what the rule says, first it should have positional argument and then the keyword argument. If I change the value for the keyword argument, let's say I have taken 10, and if I run it now, you can see now you are getting the answer as 15. So this is our first rule, that an argument list must first contain positional argument followed by keyword argument. Then second rule, keyword argument should be taken from the required argument preferably. Now if you are using keyword and required arguments are preferably used over keyword argument. Third rule, you cannot specify a value for an argument more than once. Means, just see again the example. If I have used this keyword argument c for 2 times, I have written c equals to 10 and c equals to 2. Then if you run the program, it is giving an error, keyword argument repeated. So here while using keyword argument, you cannot repeat it. It must be written only once. So here You can observe this node also. Having a positional argument after keyword argument will result an error. This is the first point you have to remember. And all these rules are very important for the question of finding error. Okay. So first rule you have to remember that positional argument must present before the keyword argument, and if keyword argument and required argument are used in a mixed manner, then required argument are preferred over keyword argument. And last rule, you cannot specify a value for an argument more than once.